Oh shit, it's recording.
Oh shit.
Quick.
Drew, you're a fucking cunt.
I mean, I'm not going to correct him because, you know.
It's true. Because it's true.
This is a secret little message for Drew.
Oh, wouldn't it be great if like we had like, I don't know, some like Hypno or something like that. And just like, you just pour it in his drink and you'd be like, you know what? The next day it's like, I don't remember anything about
Can't you?
last
You
night.
did before.
And it's only when he goes through the footage and it's like, did you date rape on me? I sung the song, by the way. I'm going big in Germany. Yeah, I punched myself in the balls and I give it a bit of that. My voice goes right up and I'm just waiting for the royalties to kick in. Taking Germany by storm. I thought I'd suddenly put it on everyone's scene.
I don't think this is German. It's Spanish.
Yeah, I'm bringing Spain to Germany.
The Englishman with the hairy
The
tip.
Englishman.
Bring it.
Have half a pint and you
Spain to Germany.
The music video is just me strapping myself into a corset. 3 people behind with a boot on the back, just ropes. Hairy tits on the prowl.
How you feeling today, Darren?
I love Europe in the summertime, can't beat it, weather's fabulous, and it's kind enough to keep all my clothes moist so I don't get too hot.
Clothes are getting damp.
Like riding in constant air conditioning.
Clothes are getting damp. We've got nothing but rain today. We're doing Großglockner Pass. I read on today an article in 2015 where 2 people died on Großglockner Pass.
Well, here's to 2 more.
Good laugh. Getting a bit here. Nothing is saying it's going to be dry at all, ever, for our entire trip. And I think we're going to see some breakdowns today. So not by bikes, mental.
Mental, emotional,
breakdowns.
physical, human.
Yeah. We're going to go empty the water out of our bikes, so I think it's all in the engine, and one of the cylinders to go. All in all, it's probably going to be a good dash. So I brought some of this with me, because I thought it was going to be really hot.
Is that like magical?
Magical. I thought my face was going to get rid. I thought we could spray it in our visors and that. Don't think we're going to need
I
it.
can't believe this.
Maybe if your clothes ain't.
Did Nathan know something we didn't? Because he's got thermals, waterproofs, everything. I've got flamingo swimming shorts in my fucking bag.
How are we going, team? How are we feeling about this?
It's feeling sorry to lose. I'm hoping.
You know, day 5 of all of our like 5 passes. Supposed to be chucking down rain all day, every day. So yeah, buzzing about that. Really excited. Want to turn around? Cool. So what? This is day 3. Day 3. 2 weeks. 2
I had a
weeks.
bad one yesterday.
2 weeks left to go. Okay.
I take back my hopefulness.
So we started day with new positivity, fresh positivity.
Is your
Knackered your bum hurts?
out of gear?
Soaked, absolutely soaked through.
I tried looking for the sauna, so the sauna.
Our room was surprisingly hot,
Yeah.
and everything was soaked through. So, anyway, right, I'll eat breakfast. Okay, so day 3. The weather's not been so bad.
No, but we can see mountains.
We can see mountains are covered in fog. We've got 100 miles left to do. We've given up. We look stupid. We've got our waterproof on. And now it's not fucking raining. So, fucking always away, innit? What about cuckoo clock? You've just been a fucking nightmare all day, you have, I tell you. We're not even in Austria yet.
No, it's well, it was meant to be Band of Brothers thing, sure.
No, we're not even in Austria yet.
We're not?
No.
What the fuck's that then?
It genuinely looks good. Genuinely.
It does. You have a hat face. Look at him, bless him.
Hey, it's a cracking
That's
photo.
amazing.
That? Oh, look at the quality.
Your Austrian Tinder profile's gonna fucking rain.
It's my new look.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Austrian heritage, mate. I need to. Thanks, man.
Happy birthday.
Cheers, man. I'm gonna wear this tonight.
This day's just getting better and better.
Oh no, look, son. It's recording, isn't it? It's recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Alright, Drew, mate, don't worry. I'm watching your GoPro. Got a little present for you, though, son.
Oh, look, we can save some battery here. You know, I'm gonna turn it off for him.
No, don't do that, 'cause it fucking gone rogue, haven't we? Everyone's done. Me and Harmon,
Not that one,
me
mate.
and Harmon are going to ride off into the sunset.
If there's ever sun, that is.
Already done, mate.
Did you know us already?
Yeah, got him.
here. Top of Großglockner Pass. How'd you find it, Nath?
GT roads, mate. GT roads.
Jizzy roads. Jizzy Pidgey roads. Harmon, what was you thinking?
I mean, there were a couple of corners where I was like, I can see why people died.
Yeah, mate, they were fucking...
Because some of the corners you looked over and it's like, if I went off that,
Mate,
that is the
they were
enemy.
fucking tight corners. What did you think of the road, Chewie?
Fucking fabulous.
There you go.
Fabulous, darling.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was wonderful.
Hey, hey Darren, what did you think of Großglockner Pass? I mean, half of it anyway, because we're...
It's alright, isn't it? It's not bad.
Came
It's no SX2 that, but
rode 1,000 miles to get here. Emmy, what did you think? Super cute, excellent.
I thought there was going to be bears here. That's what you sold this whole holiday to me on.
Bears?
Bears.
When did I tell you there's going to be bears?
Bears, mate.
Bear
You was
right here,
making
mate.
warning. He was making the warning sound all the way.
It's not bears here.
Yeah, we'll come into each other. Yeah, we'll come into each other. Yeah, we'll come into each other. Yeah, we'll come into each other.
Hey Darren.
What's up?
Knock knock.
Go on, who's there?
Yodelayer.
Yodel.
Nice yodeling, mate.